day, everyone. And the most vulnerable to natural or man-made disaster, as we observe in our barangay, is kaingin system. Most in our place having kaingin system, and it have a possible effect, kaingin slashing and burning of trees and plowing the ashes for fertilizer. It causes soil erosion, loss of soil fertility, and climate change. And some common effects of kaingin system are landslides, lower oxygen levels due to the destructions of trees, plants, and flash floods. The effect of kaingin is not only in our environment but also to our lives because it can create flash floods and landslides that can kill the lives of many people, which can affect the health and destroy their shelter, and will have no food and water because of this destructive disaster. The consequences of continuous kaingin are it easily lead to deforestation because when soil fertility is exhausted, farmers move on and clear another small area of the forest. Easily cause soil erosion and desertification, destroy watersheds, destruction of forests and wooded areas through kaingin system, and fires have deprived birds on their nesting places. Animals' habitat was destroyed, thus it endangered wild animals. Soil erosion happened when higher places become denuded. This may result to landslide. But in our places, through kaingin system, it can help us to have more income because after harvesting rice grain, they planted like abaca, banana, and some fruits and also vegetable. But the most important lesson is don't abuse our nature and save our Mother Earth.
In Mercedes, Madalag, Aklan, the areas where is likely vulnerable to man-made disaster is the mountain or any land in higher areas. People in our areas doing kaingin system. Kaingin is clearing a land by cutting down trees and burning them. This is what causes soil that makes ultimate environment collapse and deforming the formation of the rocks. The effect of continuous kaingin can easily lead to deforestation because when the soil fertility is exhausted, farmers move on another areas to do kaingin. That causes soil erosion, desertification, loss of soil fertility, and climate changes. Kaingin system affect the health of individual by increasing the spread of life-threatening disease such as malaria and dengue fever. Deforestation destroys all kinds of plants and trees, including the animal habitats. It causes habitat destruction, increased risk of predation, reduced food availability, and many animals lose their life. In fact, deforestation is one of the main causes of extinction. However, doing this kaingin system in our areas help us to harvest rice for us not to experience hunger, and people planted vegetables after they harvest the rice. No matter how this kaingin system help us to survive every day, it is important to us to take care of our environment, maintain the natural surroundings, and save it for the next generation.